ngesikhathi sithenga imizi uMacele ngahluleka ukuthi ngimthengele umuzi because I was not working. Ngase ngithi kuMacele, uma abafazi bami bengeke bakwazi ukufika kwakho ney'ngane zami zingeke zikwazi ukufika kwakho, ngikwazi ukuthenga lo muzi, because what is the use ukuthi ngithenge umuzi kodwa abantu bami bengayi kwakho. Wayesethi kuMacele, no, akanankinga. Ngase ngithi hayi kuqedile-ke, ngangamtshela-ke ukuthi ngizowuthenga umuzi. So today-ke ngizothula ukuthi-ke lo muzi esikuwona owamacele.
I did not know that lo muzi waMacele, but do I know the house? Yes, I do. The previous owners, I used to know them. So for me, ukuba la, ngiyawazi umuzi angazi ukuthi ubelonga kumuntu wakamsele.
Umusa guys did this intentionally. Akayenzela ngabafazi bekayenzela uMakhumalo. Angeke siyirandise le ndaba sithi no bekayenzela uMankwabo noma yini. I don't think they care. But the person emihetse kakhulu le ndaba was uMakhumalo. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Guys, go last episode recently found out ukuthi Umusa bought uMacele a house, and it's not just a house, it's a mansion, and it's a big house. Kuhle, it's beautiful. The outside, everything there is beautiful. Like nabafazi bebancoma ukuthi le ndlu le iyinhle. But ke Umusa was wrong for ukuthi angabatsheli abafazi ukuthi no ngifuna nizeni nizoyenza i-housewarming, because it seems like i-housewarming le endlini kaMacele, or a-communicate nabo so that ofuna ukuza eze ongafuni ukuza angezi, ukuze kungabi ne-awkward moment, yabo. So azange ayenze kanjalo. He wanted to just surprise them ukuthi okay lo muzi lo wakaMacele. Okay, fine. They congratulated her, kodwa uMakhumalo couldn't congratulate uMacele because bona yena noMacele they are not on talking terms since i-retreat bebangakhulumisani, and uthi uMakhumalo uMacele usemangena azange ambulise, which was wrong vele. If ever they wanted to fix things bebazobulisana nabo because sebagcinane kudala. And also kuthiwe makuthiwa le ndlu le ekaMacele, uMakhumalo didn't seem so happy for uMacele. Maybe she thought she's the only one on a mention, and besides that kudaya recession yakhe she had to say yena she knows ama previous owners awale ndlu lena. It's like angiyazi le ndlu lena, so ayikho into enizongitshela ngayo ngale ndlu le, which is quite not good, because at least ingabe uthi I have no comment, ayikho into engayisho nje ngendlu kaMacele, but siyambongela Nkosi yami aphume nje entweni. Now it seems like yo disappointed ukuthi yo why nomuzi ongaka. Kona angaba disappointed guys because uhambile yena wethenga umuzi wakhe so that Umusa could save money to buy Macele a mansion. So do you understand how deep this is? It's so deep, like hayi Umusa wenze ngamasibom guys, as-agreeing sonke wenze ngamasibom. But ke sambongela uMacele guys. What are your thoughts on this? Let me keep these videos coming because yo hayi bokubuningi namhlanje.